What is good with y'all boys? Want the world? I know it is mine. Good morning, fam. Let's get a banger day. Like always, you guys know it. You guys know it. Uh, uh, I got feeling in the drink and I fade away. News at 10, yes, sir. We got PMI at 10, so I think I'm going to wait until after 10 to take a trade. What's good, Derek? What's good, my boy? What's good, Palm? But on that bitch, I got her man. Link. Baby girl, you trying to help me in my fleet. There's not a lot of people in here. I hate that motherfuckers aren't up and ready, bro. I'm about to just start talking. Fuck it. Baggy. What song? This song is so fire. It's called One Call. One Call by D Savage. Let's go, Porter. My boy's up and ready. Good trade. Love it, bro. Good trade. Good trade. Beautiful trade. I see it in chat. Let's get it. Hey. So, what I'm going to be looking for today is, okay, we're bullish. We broke out of this resistance. Right now, we are currently tapping onto a 4-hour order block and daily order block, but I do think that we're going to want to fill the equilibrium zone. And plus, this weekly time frame still has not taken out any highs. I think news could potentially push us up to possibly this area on the daily. Did we take out EQ? I think we did. Yeah, we did on SPY, but we didn't on Qs. So on QQQ, from this low to this high, we still have equilibrium that we're going to want to take out, and we still want to fill this gap. Now, SPY already filled the gap. Qs indeed did not fill this gap yet. So what I'm going to be looking for is, okay, we might be bearish off the start, but I do want to see some sort of maybe like pullback to go higher and to continue this uptrend, because we are in an uptrend. Obviously, you guys can see on the 4-hour, this is a straight uptrend. We still have this gap to fill. There's an order block up here, and I just think that we're in an uptrend, and I think that we're going to want to fill some more orders below here to go lower. So always what we're looking for the little bit of people that are in here. If you want to go higher, you have to realize, like, without us being able to just do this, we have to collect some sort of liquidity, whether it's in a fair value gap, whether it's orders in a fair value gap, or come back down to an order block, or come back down to a gap, whatever it is. So down here we have a gap, or we have lows. So we want to see lows get taken out, or we want to see a gap get filled. Now right here, this is kind of choppy. There is no fair value gaps. So what we're going to want to see is we're going to want to see market come down, take out lows, either this low, or even tap the order block down here. And then we can make a move back to the upside. Now remember, that might happen before 10 because we're not taking a trade. Remember, we're not taking a trade. We have PMI. Like yesterday, news wasn't too crazy. PMI is like a little bit bigger. You know what I mean? It's much more volatile in my opinion. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. I'm just telling myself, hey, I'm not going to take a trade before 10 a.m. Simple as that. No reason to take a trade. So, what does this look like? It looks bullish, right? It looks bullish. I want to see lows get taken out, though. So, I want to see it come down and sweep out any pre-market lows and then make an upside move on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, whatever time frame looks the best. This right here, IWM still looks, it's kind of choppy, to be honest, but as of now, it just took out all of these lows right here. Pre-market on the 4 hour. Walk them down, walk them down. I'm not gonna lie though, I might be looking for puts. And the only reason I'm looking for puts is look what the daily did yesterday. You guys see this? Look what the daily did yesterday. Look at that. Yesterday's candle came out and swept out every single one of these highs. Every one of these highs, and then closes a doji candle. Now we're just accumulating. But what I'm thinking is we go to the downside. Look at this sweep. Man. Mark my words, I really have a big feeling that IWM is going to tank to the downside today. Because of that daily sweep. Because of this, whoop, wink. I think we're retracing to equilibrium right now in this 15 minute or the 1 hour, whatever time frame. Yep. I don't know why it's not closing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. We're about to come right up here, take out these highs pre-market, and then I have a big feeling we're going to dump. And the reason I have a big feeling we're going to dump, am I fully right? No, we're just waiting to see what happens. But what you want to see is, look at that daily time frame. We've been accumulating so much up here, not really too many big sweeps. Yesterday, daily, Mink all the way up, took out all of these highs, and then downside. Weekly time frame, sweep. Look what happens when you see, oh, highs, sweep, downside. Sweep, downside. Sweep, downside, right? So we're seeing a weekly sweep. We're seeing this daily sweep, 4 hour sweep. I think we're going to go to the downside on IWM. This is actually a good asset that I want to trade today. And then, yeah, QQQ looks bullish to me. I want to see a pullback. SPY, bullish. As of now, no, it's probably sweeping high is going to come lower. Yes. But when it comes lower, that's where we're going to take calls. Whether it comes down to equilibrium, whether it wants to come down to the fair value gaps down here, where would that be? That'd be like down here. So let's say by 10 a.m., if we come all the way down here, bam, down here is the area where we want to take calls. Why? Why is this a good area? For one, we have an order block down here. We have more fair value gaps right here. We have another fair value gap down here. So, and that's an equilibrium fair value gap. So, I'm probably gonna look for calls on SPY and QQQ, which for any of you guys that trade futures, calls is longs, puts is shorts. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens if we don't want to come down to this area and we just want to take out maybe these lows or these lows. That's fine. Then we can make a move to the upside. We'll figure it out. We'll see what price gives us at 10 o'clock. But yeah, that's all I'm really looking at too much. First video was fire. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I literally just did that because I want people to know me. You know what I mean? I want the first video of the course yesterday. I want people just to get to know me, understand who I am as a person, because that's just like I'm not a fan of just, oh, here, watch my course. Like, I don't care about that. I want you guys to connect with me on a different level on this course. I want you guys to really like stick at it. I don't want people to just watch this shit, learn, and then quit. Like, if you relate to me, if you stick at it, if you understand where I came from and how I got it, and if I can do it, you can fucking do it too. So I want to relate to you guys every single time. I want to keep you guys on a good track, on a good path. I want to hold you guys in, like, hold you guys accountable, right? As you need to do that to yourself as well. But it's just like, that's what I'm doing the course for, to help people out. It's not like, oh, I want to make this beginner course so I can, there's just no other reason to fucking make it other than, bro, I have a shit ton of people in my community. I had people that follow me that probably need help. Why not help? Series is going to be great. You guys aren't even ready. You guys want to see a little sneak peek? This is only fucking 20 people in here, so the people that are in here, I'm going to show this to. Last night I was up until fucking Just know. Just know that I'm nowhere near done. Just know. So, yeah. Um, bro, I was up until like 11 a.m. last night working like a motherfucker. Working on my new inner circle program. That shit's coming out in the next 2 weeks, and I'm getting it crazily professionally done. Like, this shit is going to be absolutely insane. The Discord's gonna blow the fuck up. My trading's gonna get way better. I'm gonna help people become way better and disciplined, way better disciplined traders, and it's gonna be great. So yeah, that's my bias. I am bullish for the end of the day. We're gonna wait until 10. We're gonna be smart. Don't think I'm gonna take a trade until 10. And yeah, boys, I hope everyone has a great day. And